Hey guys, how you doing? This is Juan with Liberty Graphic Designs, and today we're going to continue on fixing this laser, so don't go anywhere. So yesterday I was trying to get the keys, right? And I actually was able to get the keys, so now we have keys to open every door in here. It only cost me it was like $2 a key, and I got 3 keys. Actually, the one for the power, we couldn't get the key made, so what I did is that we took out all the wafers on the lock mechanism, which they look something like this. It's little, can't even see it, right? But there's little wafers. This is what actually holds the key, and we left the key blank just like that. Again, took out all the wafers, and now we can open it. So however, I was not able to connect it to my software. Lightburn does not support this laser, so I went online and checked for the software for this laser, and I couldn't get it to really work to connect to the laser, because it needs to be connected on a network, and I haven't done that. However, I did not like that software that they support this or full spectrum software. I didn't like it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna order a complete panel, which is Mike from NovaWorks actually told me, hey, just go ahead and order a new panel and rewire the whole thing to run on Ruida, so that way Lightburn can be able to run this software. I'm sorry, this laser. And I thought that was a better idea. It'll cost me a little extra, a lot extra. It'll cost me more because the whole panel, the whole control panel and everything is gonna cost me about 400 bucks. But I think that's a better way to run the laser, because let's face it, Lightburn is a lot easier to use. But let me show you how the unit powers on, everything works. Everything is perfect. So let me show you real quick. So here we are, the panel. This panel is actually pretty cool. It's a touch screen, and watch. So turn it on, comes on perfectly. And if you heard the little sound, that was my computer recognizing it, but the software does not run it. So we're gonna wait for it to boot, and then I'll show you that we can control the machine from here. However, we cannot, there's no laser on it, or the laser tube, there's no laser tube on it, so it cannot be used for anything right now. So there you go. So it gives you an IP address, so we can connect it to the network and just follow that IP address. For those of you that don't know, that's actually an IP address, the 169.254.239.1. that's the IP address that this laser has, and you connect it to the network, and then you'll find it using that IP address. That's easy to do, but that software I just did not like. But anyways, let me show you. I'm gonna move it a little bit so you can see how we move the machine, and it'll work. So here we go. You'll see how the unit works. It has a light. It's really cool. I like that little light underneath, and we can move it. See that? No problem. Everything moves. We can move the bed. So that's the bed going down. Bed going back up. Oops, that was my bad. But if I bring you right here on the software and I try to connect to it. So here's the one that I'm using right now. If I try to find another laser, it's gonna go through this little deal, right? Connect it or try to find another laser, nothing. See, there's no devices. So it will not run it. I just can't find it. So even if I use theirs, like if I try to use their software, I try to use their software and I couldn't do anything. I just couldn't find it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna order another panel. That way I can run it with Lightburn. So I'm gonna replace this panel with a new one. Again, it's gonna cost me an extra $300 to $400, and it won't be here till January, like the first week of January. So I won't be able to do anything with that. So that's what I'm gonna do, is I'm just gonna go ahead and turn this off. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and order this panel and the motherboard so I can connect everything to that new motherboard and panel and run it with Lightburn. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna install these brackets and have the tube ready. Another thing I'm gonna do is replace the mirrors. So here's the I took out one of the mirrors, and you can see it's not a mirror anymore. It's just not, that's not gonna work. It's just like way too, it's just bad. So we have new mirrors for it, and that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna swap, it's not the mirror. Here it is. So I'm gonna swap the mirrors for these new ones, install these brackets, put the laser tube in there, just so I can have it all together. So whenever this new panel and the new motherboard come in, or the controller and the panel, then we'll have a laser, a working laser, hopefully, fingers crossed, right? So let me move this over here, over so we can install these panels and the mirrors. The mirrors is gonna be a little tricky because there's usually a key, and it's just like a little ruler to remove that. And I don't have anything to remove that, so I might have to go to the hardware store and so I can remove that little O-ring right there, so I can take the mirror out and replace it with the new ones. And you know, it's something easy, but I just can't get the little O-ring out. So let me move everything so we can install these brackets and the laser tube. So I try, man, so the brackets that I bought, I'm sorry guys, so the brackets that I bought, they're the wrong ones. So they send me the wrong bracket, right? It just sucks. Man, cause see this tube is kind of skinny, and the brackets that I got, they're just they're the normal size. So if you notice, this is the top part of the bracket. Look how big it is. See that? So it kind of sucks. Man, I just lost the screw. Kind of sucks because I wasted all day today trying to get this back up and running, and it's just not gonna work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to either order another set of brackets or use the ones that I had ordered in the past. These ones will fit. Let me show you real quick. Let me open this up a little bit. These ones will fit. Oh, actually, I don't have to put that. But if I was to put this right here, this one, even though it looks like it's too big, once we put the other part on top, let me see if I can do it with one hand. Just gonna kind of hold it right there. See, this one will work. It'll grab the laser, the tube. However, this one is not tall enough, because the laser needs to be a certain height. But if I use the bracket from the original bracket, if I use the base for it, I can actually get that right height. The only problem with that is that this one's going to be sitting on that base, and not the screws are not long enough to actually go into the unit. So I'm gonna have to go get some screws. I'm gonna have to rig something to make it work. But yeah, so we kind of it kind of sucks because I came into like a dead end, and it's just a whole day wasted on this. It sucks. I'm sorry guys, but now you actually don't have to see this video and me not getting anything done. So I can't get the mirrors in because I don't have the key to open or to take that deal out. It's just a headache. It's just, oh man, it just sucks. But yeah, this is gonna be it for this video, guys. I did order the panel and the controller, or the controller and the panel. I did order it. It'll be here the first week of January. But I found a laser, like a homemade laser here in Texas, and they're selling it for like 850 bucks. I might just buy that and use the controller and the panel. I know it's gonna cost me twice twice as much, but I can get this up and running a lot faster than maybe as fast as Monday, and get this unit. Today is Friday. Today's Friday the 15th, I think. Yeah, today's Friday the 15th. And if I buy the homemade laser that somebody has here about 3 hours away from me, I can get this unit up and running as early as Monday of next week. That would be really great. So, but yeah, kind of sucks that I couldn't do anything. I am so sorry. It really sucks. But yeah, guys, this is gonna be it for this video. If you guys have any comments on how to run this, or if I can get my hands on an older version of the software that can run this unit, let me know. Let me know in the comments below how I can get my hands on that software. That'd be great. That would be awesome. But yeah, let me know in the comments below. This is gonna be it for this video. Thank you for watching, guys. This is gonna be fun. This is going to be fun. And watch, as soon as I fix it, I know I'm gonna sell it. Thank you, guys. A pleasure like always. I will catch you in the next one. Bye bye now. God bless you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Adios now.